Reduced food portions are closely related to weight loss. Many people are forced to cut back on their daily calorie intake in order to achieve the desired or ideal body shape. The desire to achieve a slim body shape can be realized even without reducing food portions as long as it is balanced with a healthy, regular, and nutritionally balanced diet. Aside from being good for the body, highly nutritious foods keep you full and energized throughout the day. Maintaining a healthy body weight. So that your stomach does not suffer as a result of suppressing hunger, here are some diet secrets you can use without reducing the amount you eat. 1. Consume fiber-rich foods. High-fiber foods aid digestion and are therefore beneficial when dieting. By consuming fiber every day, food waste that the body does not require can be removed immediately, preventing fat accumulation in the body. Foods with high fiber content, such as nuts, jelly, and paprika, can be consumed on a daily basis, either as a main course or as a side dish. 2. Drink lots of water. Water can also help you lose weight. When the body's water content is met, the process of removing food debris becomes smoother, and your skin health improves. Although the impact you frequently go back and forth to the bathroom, believe me when I say that this habit is extremely beneficial to weight loss. To keep the body hydrated, drink at least 2 liters of water per day. 3. Focus on eating healthy food. If you concentrate on what you eat, you can lose weight quickly. That is, pay attention to the nutrient content of the food. Make certain that the food is not only tasty but also nutritious. Foods high in sugar, fat, and carbohydrates, such as fried foods, white rice, potatoes, and offal, should be avoided. Replace these foods with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins, such as avocado, salmon, nuts, fruit, and green vegetables. 4. Don't think about the food you eat. You should not think about the food you consume, because your thoughts will be expressed throughout your body. For example, you may skip dinner because you are afraid of becoming overweight because the food served contains nuts or red meat. You should not skip dinner in order to ensure that your body's nutritional requirements are met. Your body weight will not increase as long as you eat healthy foods. Prevent this by exercising first to burn off the old carbohydrates before introducing the new carbohydrates. 5. Avoid strenuous exercises. When you go to the gym or fitness center, choose a light type of exercise. Excessive exercise can cause hunger, causing you to eat more food. Light exercise such as running, squats, or gymnastics, which are equally effective for weight loss, is highly recommended. 6. Pay attention to food quality, not quantity. Try to pay attention to the quality of the food before eating it. Is the food high in protein, good fat, and vitamins, or vice versa? Quality food has a positive impact on the body. In addition to providing the necessary nutrients, these foods are more filling and do not induce drowsiness. As a result, your daily activities are not disrupted, but rather enhanced. 7. Drink lemon juice. Drinking lemon juice in the morning, mixed with warm water and honey, can help burn calories and cleanse the digestive system. Lemon juice has a sour taste that aids in fat burning. Not only that, but tamarind water is also good for digestion, so it is very beneficial if consumed in the appropriate dose every day. Drink a glass of lemon water after waking up in the morning to flush out the toxins from the previous day. You can also drink it before going to bed at night so that the poison is removed when you go to the bathroom the next morning. 8. Avoid sleeping after eating. Sleeping when the stomach is full feels great, as if there is no burden of life. Your stomach will become distended if this habit is not immediately changed. Because food cannot be properly digested while you are sleeping. You should avoid this habit if you want to achieve an ideal body shape with a flat stomach or even a six-pack. 9. Improve night sleep. Staying up late without realizing it can cause gradual weight gain. This has been demonstrated by research conducted at Harvard University and the National Sleep Foundation. So, immediately improve your nighttime sleeping habits. To get quality sleep, increase your sleep hours to at least 7 to 8 hours per day.